Okay, I'm Darren Stockwell, and I'm gonna do a shot with soap and toothpaste.
Michael, you won't join yourself by drinking, so you have to skip the backgrounds.
Oh
It's we're cleaning out. It's like a enema for a stomach.
god, dude, it's.
Get that thing topped off now. Oh, come on. I took that much with chew spit. This is soap, mate.
Yeah, but this is fucking liquid soap. I'm probably gonna shit bubbles.
You need to one up this bitch.
Okay, dude. Okay.
Now we're kosher.
Oh my. Wait.
What does it smell like?
It smells good though.
Oh, it smells delightful. It probably tastes the same way.
Oh my god, damn, dude. You're probably gonna poison me. I swear to god, if I end up in the hospital, it's your fault. It looks like a shit. Okay. Alright. God, I'm gonna fucking hate this.
Alright.
Okay, alright.
Come on, man. You know what to do.
Oh, get ready, because I'm probably gonna fucking vomit.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up. We got a puker. We got a puker.
I fucking hate you, dude. There's so much soap in there.
Ew, that's so much pee, but it smells great.
I'm not done. Oh, dude. I fucking hate you.
Let me see.
You got it all. How are you doing, bro?